to pick someone up, especially in cities like Mumbai and Bangalore. It's extremely easy. Yeah, I've had a good time.
मैं अकेला मेरे चारों तरफ हसीनों का मेला।
Depends on the area. वो लड़की के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है.
Depends on the guy.
It depends on you, no?
I feel more comfortable meeting a person like through a friend.
I hate admitting it, but I'm too scared to like make the first move.
I think I'm too awkward to make a move on anyone. I just kind of feel the vibe.
Yeah, I have to be a little drunk to actually make a move. I don't have that guts otherwise.
Maximum लोगों को कोई किसी को अप्रोच नहीं करता है. शायद उनके पास स्किल्स की कमी है या फिर they don't have confidence.
No, yeah, we have skills, but people don't appreciate it.
चश्मा निकाल दो.
I approach strangers with a lot of enthusiasm, so they get like attracted to me. Yeah, I don't creep them out. I'm just like so excited with my energy, so yeah, that's my move.
I'm very weird around guys, so I would totally just like, you know, drop as many hints as possible. If that doesn't work, I'll just say that I like you. I want to spend more time with you, or you know, you're so cute, or I'll take photos of them or flirt with them.
I'll just go and tell them I'd love to kiss you or like something like that, and that has worked.
सीधा जाके उसके पास I like you.
सीधा I like you. आपने किया है कभी ट्राई?
हाँ किया है. फर्स्ट टाइम.
फिर क्या रिएक्शन था?
हाँ उसने भी थोड़ा सा मतलब हाँ नहीं बाद में हाँ किया उसने.
I sort of impressed that person with my love for music, the choice of my music, and I used to share that music with that person, and eventually I got that person like आ गया.
सबसे पहले तो स्माइल अच्छी होनी चाहिए और आईज में इनोसेंस होनी चाहिए, बाकी कुछ भी चलेगा. I won't mind.
I had invited him over to my place for drinks and stuff because we hadn't met in a long time, and that guy tried really hard. He danced with me, he sang for me, he kept saying things and inserting the word darling in it, and it was really nice.
He said something, he was like, oh, you know, I'm so shy, I'm very bad at this. I was like, no wait, I am shy and I am really bad at this. And he was like, that's great, we have something in common. And that really worked with me. I was like, wow, this guy's witty. Humor works.
And humor can be anything. It can be a stupid pickup line also. It can be something funny. It can be jokes on yourself. And people who know how to laugh at themselves are the ones who attract more people.
There was a bunch of us sitting at the waiting area. So this one of the people over there was this girl who kept kind of looking at me. She looked interesting, so I was looking at her as well because she had like these big earphones and stuff. We started talking on the way. She said that, you know, I'm just going this way as well. And then out of the blue, she just kind of asked me if I want to go for coffee with her. And for me, I was just taken aback because I'm not that direct ever. So, but I think with girls, I like it if you know, they are direct.
मैं तो बहुत सीधा साधा आदमी हूँ. मैंने कभी अप्रोच नहीं किया, लेकिन बहुत सामने से अप्रोच हुआ है बहुत बार. वो मुझे बड़े प्यार से बड़े स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बोलेगी, वो ज़्यादा काम करेगा, वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. वो घुमा फिरा के बोलने से अच्छा.
I think with men, it's better if they are a bit more indirect. And when I'm saying indirect, I mean like, you know, they drop hints. I think that's better because then I get my time to kind of choose when I want to be, you know, talk to them.
If he compliments me on the way I have dressed or done my hair, my makeup, or something that is personality based, or something that says that, okay fine, you know, I'm getting this really nice, good, warm vibe from you.
You don't have to pretend the only thing about that two people can share is, well, sex. So just talk. It's not that hard.
हाँ, you are my Pepsi, दिल मांगे more kind of, कुछ भी बोलते हैं मतलब. वो लोग ऐसे ही इंटरनेट पे कोई चीज़ें लाइन लेके आ जाते हैं, बस ऐसे ही आके रीड करके चले जाते हैं. क्या रट्टा मार के है वो क्या? Just be honest,
बी योरसेल्फ, कोई भी लड़की हाँ बोलेगी और आपके साथ एटलीस्ट एक डेट के लिए तो आ ही जाएगी। फिर तो आपकी शिटी पर्सनल पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितना रुकती है आपके साथ।
Hey girl, are you tired? Because you have been running all through my mind.
हाँ, ज़्यादा भाव ना खाए, ठीक है, अच्छे से बात करे। वो होता नहीं भौकाल टाइट करना, वो नहीं होना चाहिए।
You look really beautiful. I've been looking at you the entire evening. There's always a subtle manner of putting that across, you know.
Guys come like this, and they say, "Oh, short dress, huh? You look very hot. You look very sexy." You know? Try knowing the person first. Be friends with them. Then only you can reach that level.
If she's saying that she's tired, she is tired of you. She's not tired physiologically. Please take a hint when a girl euphemizes her displeasure with your activities. Don't just be like, "Oh, nahi lekin abhi to acha laga tha na."
Like I've seen so many guys who just come and touch your arm for no reason, and that is not like a good sign.
छुओ नहीं देखो जरा पीछे रखो हाथ.
Then just talk, try to make a conversation. That would work.
कोई बात नहीं, there's always the next one.
I have made a move, and I wrote a letter for him, and it was in vain. Seriously, but yeah, it was quite good an experience for me.
Life is just dependent on a certain little hope that all of us have, and you should not keep it in the heart. And if the person reciprocates, you're lucky. If they don't, you'll find someone else.
It's very easy to say all this.
Easier said than done, I know, but I myself have done it, so you just have to express it up.
And it's hard though. It's really hard.
Because he couldn't do it. Sad.
No, I did it.
It's okay, sad.
But I felt